Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic that they're going to print maybe on vinyl, and they need a cut line to cut it out, and they want it, well, 1/8 of an inch around. And I have plenty of videos on this, but this is a little bit different because the open areas. So we're going to make a duplicate of that. I always make a duplicate. I am going to go to Object, Group, and ungroup it for this to work. And as soon as I do this, my boundary tool comes up, and I'm going to hit my boundary tool. And then I'm going to move my boundary out of the way. Now, you can see that's not what you want to cut. So we're going to go to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour 0.25 with rounded corners to the outside. Now, it's a bigger contour than they want, but this will help it work. Now I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart, and I'm going to grab the outside and move it down or out of the way. Now you can see these inner parts. To do this, you take and go to Object and break the curve apart, and then these individual parts can be deleted. These are the parts that are inside, just remnants of the boundary tool. And I actually think there's one more right there. So now you have this, and instead of, deleting those parts, I could have just taken the outside and moved it over and not had to physically delete those. Now, but this is too big for his graphic. Let me move it over there and see it's quite a bit off. But we contoured 0.25. Now we're going to go to the inside, 0.125. And look at that. And then we're going to go to Object, break the contour apart. And if you will grab the center one, and you know you get it by right-clicking your mouse red, and then move it over, and then you have a contour around these, I guess, bleeding eyes. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.